Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on these exfoliating pads. Now I really love these pads guys, but there is one con that I would love to share with y'all. But first I'm going to show you how they look, tell you all of its features and what it is that I really love about them, and then we'll get to the con part. So first I really do love that they have a re-closable bag, so you can just close it off after every use. I really love that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how they actually look like. So this is how the pad actually looks like. As you can see, they have a cotton side and then it has a textured side. I don't really use the textured side that much. I typically only use the cotton side. Now I use it mostly for my exfoliant. It works wonderful guys. I really love how it glides on your face easily and it applies the exfoliant very evenly on your face. Now the only con that I have for it is that whenever you glide it, you can glide it like this to your face and it works perfectly fine, but whenever you start dabbing it, it starts kind of like falling apart. It starts leaving like debris on your skin, but it is a great pad guys. It applies the exfoliant evenly onto your skin, which I love, and honestly the pros do outweigh the one con that I have. Overall, it's a great pad guys. It's honestly one of the best pads that I've used out of so many that I've tried before, and I would definitely recommend it.